everyone, my name is Patricia Lughezzani, Executive Sponsor for Search Unify, and welcome to Search Unify's Customer Pulse, a real talk about our customer's journey. In this session, we sit down with customers for a 15-minute candid discussion about their journey, key decisions, and learnings. In these conversations, we're talking with customers who are transforming their customer communities and support processes by implementing Search Unify to drive efficiency and elevate their overall customer experience. In this episode, we highlight a customer success story from Saviynt and explore how they seamlessly transform their customer support experience. So I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our guest, Sahana. Sahana, welcome, and please introduce yourself and provide a brief company background.
Hello, I'm Sahana Parameswarappa. As a KC certified professional with 22 years of experience, I currently lead support site management and AI-driven knowledge initiatives at Saviynt, an AI-powered identity, security, and access management platform. My work is to integrate knowledge, strategy, and AI, where I focus on maximizing case deflection, streamlining self-service, by leveraging advanced AI capabilities. I ensure both customers and engineers have instant access to the accurate solutions they need to solve issues.
Thanks for that. Let's start by discussing your business challenges and what you were facing and what led you to making the decision to implement Search Unify.
The very obvious one, fragmented content. Saviynt content was spread across multiple platforms: product documentation, training, community, tickets, and Jiras were on separate platforms. It made it difficult for the customer to find a single source of truth. The support volume was very high. Without an intelligent search, the time to resolve increased drastically because both customers and agents spend too much time hunting for information across different platforms. There were a lot of content gaps, blind spots. It is difficult to know what users are searching and failing to find, making it hard for the support team to prioritize which articles to write next. There was no standard process for KB creation and publishing. So that meant solutions were trapped in support tickets instead of being available on the knowledge base.
Yeah, it's a really common problem, right? I mean, having a lot of data, missing data and gaps, and then being able to bring it all together and make sure your users have really easy access to all your data to provide really quick resolutions. Moving on, I really would like to hear a little bit more about how you've integrated Search Unify into your support systems to meet these business objectives.
So we implemented a unified search that crawls KB, documentation site, ideas, community simultaneously. Integrating all the content databases in a single search was crucial to identify the existing knowledge. We have sorting and filtering options to narrow down the scope. Additionally, we factor customers' product version into search so it is more relevant. GPT summarizes the answers so users do not have to go through multiple links, thus reducing effort and time. Second advantage was the deflection. We deployed the AI intent engine within the ticket creation workflow. This identified user intent in real time as the type, the subject of the case, surfacing targeted solutions to resolve issues before a ticket has been submitted. We also have an AI knowledge base creation solution, so the information in the ticket can be converted into structured, usable KB articles for improving self-service.
Yeah, makes total sense. And I know the Saviynt team and yourself have done a really great job of implementing AI-based processes. So can you tell me how you've implemented these AI-based processes to increase efficiency for both your support and knowledge teams?
Sure. It's a knowledge on demand model that prioritizes automatic discovery over manual documentation. Recognizing the traditional KCS often suffers from human bottlenecks. Missed KB creations due to high workload, missed KB updates. We have now pivoted our focus towards case documentation. Using GPT-powered summarizations, our engineers can search historical case data and receive instant summarized solutions. To close the loop, we analyze the backend reports to identify cases with high hit rates. Any case cited by the AI more than 3 times is automatically flagged for KB conversion, ensuring our self-service portal is populated with high-value verified content.
Perfect. I love that. And as a result of all these transformations that you've put in place and the new business processes, what outcomes have you realized and what metrics are important for you to track and improve?
We are tracking multiple metrics. The major ones are the deflection. By simplifying the support site user journey, we have successfully increased the self-service adoption, and our implicit deflection is around 35%, with explicit deflection going up around 4%. Engineering efficiency has increased. We have bridged the knowledge gap by making historical case data into internal resources instantly accessible, allowing for faster and more informed troubleshooting. The customer sentiment has improved. The operational efficiency have translated into improved CSAT and NPS scores.
Those are great results. Do you want to leave us with any lessons learned or some best practices that you've picked up along the way?
Many. When implementing AI, I have found that success follows a three-phase framework: input, processing, and output. First, we must recognize that human intelligence remains irreplaceable. AI is only as effective as the data it consumes. In engineering, this means that the secret sauce is the depth of the manual case notes, capturing the nuances of the infrastructure, root cause analysis, and behavioral discrepancies that a model cannot intuit on its own. For processing, data must be curated and governed to prevent hallucinations or high risk errors, such as instructions that could trigger outages, database issues. Selecting a model that strikes the right balance between cost and performance is extremely vital. Finally, the output phase requires a continuous feedback loop. By identifying gaps in the AI responses, we refine our knowledge base and maintain strict monitoring to ensure that the system remains reliable and accurate.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Sahana, for sharing all of your story and your valuable insights. So we'll wrap up this conversation. If you'd like to share your experience with Search Unify, please reach out to us at info@searchunify.com. Thank you.